Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the time zone in N8n step by step. This is important if your workflows, schedules, or triggers are running at the wrong time. Let's get started. N8n allows you to automate tasks and create workflows between different apps. The time zone setting controls when scheduled workflows, cron triggers, and time-based automations run. Here's how to change it. Step 1. Open your N8n dashboard. First, log into your N8n instance. This could be your self-hosted version or N8n Cloud. Once logged in, you will see the main workflow dashboard. Step 2. Open Settings. Click on your profile icon or the Settings option in the top menu. Look for the section related to Preferences or Instance Settings. Step 3. Locate the time zone setting. Inside the Settings page, find the Time Zone option. This controls how N8n interprets time for workflows and scheduled triggers. Click on the Time Zone dropdown. Step 4. Select your time zone. Choose the correct time zone for your location. For example, if you are in India, select Asia, Kolkata. This ensures that scheduled workflows run at the correct local time. Step 5. Save the changes. After selecting the correct time zone, click Save or Update Settings. Your new time zone will now be applied. Step 6. Verify scheduled workflows. If you are using cron or schedule triggers, open those workflows and double-check the timing. Sometimes you may need to resave the workflow so the new time zone is applied correctly. Alternative method for self-hosted N8n. If you are running a self-hosted version, the time zone may also be controlled using an environment variable. You can set the time zone using the environment variable called TZ in your server configuration. After updating it, restart your N8n service so the changes take effect. And that's it. That's how you change the time zone in N8n step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical automation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.